So, good day to all of you. So, we are going into our next point of the chapter of filtration, that is filtration equipment. So, in this, there are various types of equipment which are used for the filtration of the slurry. So, first equipment, that is plate and frame filter. So, first filter, which is plate and frame filter. So, this plate and frame filter, it is most economic filtering device per unit of the filtering surface. And this plate and frame filter is the most simplest of all pressure filters, and it is most commonly used. So this plate and frame filter mostly most economic filtering device, and also it is the simplest of all pressure filters, simplest than the all pressure filters, and it is most commonly used. The principle of this plate and frame filter, the mechanism of in this involved in the filtration in the plate and frame filter press is surface filtration. The mechanism for filtration in this plate and frame filter press is surface filtration. The slurry which is entered the frame by the pressure, the slurry which entered into the frame by the pressure and which flows through the filter medium, which is usually filter cloth, and this filtrate is collected on the plate. This filtrate which is collected on the plate and which is sent to the outlet and solid which form filter cake in the frames. Increasing surface area and number of frames and plates can be increased. So, if the increased surface for the increased surface area, there is an increasing number of frames and the plate can be increased. So, principle of this plate and frame filter press or filter, that is which involve mechanism surface filtration. That is there is a this particle which is written on the surface of this plate and frame filter. So this slurry which is entered into the frame by the pressure and which is flow through this filter medium, which is usually mainly filter cloth, and the filtrate which is collected on this plate, and the cake and which is sent to the out, there is outlet from this which will be collected, and solid which written on this which form a filter cake which will be written into the frame. So this is the principle of this plate and frame filter. Next will be the construction of this plate and frame filter press. So this plate and frame filter press consists of plate and frame are arranged alternatively with a filter medium in between them. So this is the diagram. In this is a filter press in which this is a plate, this is a single dot which is a plate, and this is a double dot which is called as a frame. In between there is a arrangement of this filter medium, or which is called as a filter cloth in between them. So there is the arrangement of this plate and frame. This plate and frame filter consists of this plate and frame arrangement. In between this plate and frame, there is a place between, in between them there is a filter cloth which is arranged. These plate and frames are usually made of these plate and frame are made mainly use of stainless steel or aluminum alloy or wooden material or reinforced plastic. So these plate and frames are made of stainless steel, aluminum alloy, wooden material or reinforced plastic. Sometimes they are lacquer to the protect against corrosive material, chemicals or materials, and they made suitable for the steam sterilization. So Sometimes they are coated. Lacquer means coated to protect against corrosive chemicals. समजा जर आपण एखाद्या corrosive materials आपण filtration करतो, so they are protect against this corrosive action of this chemical, and also they are made suitable for the steam distillation simply to lacquer or coating on this filter or frame. So this is a construction of this filter plate and frame filter press. So what is frame? So it is a hollow frame. It is a hollow frame which has inlet to receive slurry. So this is the frame has, there is a slurry inlet. This hollow frame which has inlet to receive this slurry, and this frame has handle on the two sides of the rest of the rod. So this is the handles which are arranged on this frame for resting on the rod, and this thickness of the frame is selected on the basis of the thickness of the cake which is formed during the filtration. So जी thickness आहे frame ची thickness ही कशावर डिपेंड आहे? The thickness of the frame which will be depend upon formation of the thickness of the formation of the cake during this filtration process. This frame indicated as two dots in diagrammatic representation of the filter. So the दोन dot असतील म्हणजे काय? In the last, this is a two dot means this is a frame, and single dot means this is a plate. Next, plate. The plate is square shaped solid structure with raised edges and a corrugated surface. So this is a this is a plates. This is a plates. This is a plate which has square shaped solid. This is a square shaped solid with a raised edge and corrugated surface, and the surface support to the filter medium. The surface which will be support to the filter medium, and which has outlet for the filtrate, and this surface which has outlet for the filtrate, and this plate which is indicated as a one dot in this plate will be diagrammatic in the diagrammatic representation of this plate and frame filter, which denoted as this single dot. Represented as a single dot means plate and two dots mean frame. Next will be the filter medium. So this filter medium usually fixed in the between the plate and frame. So this filter medium that is which is used in this between this plate and the frame, and the large number of plates and frame are arranged alternatively. This is in this plate and frame filter press. There is a large number of frame and filters. Plate and frames are arranged the arrangement as plate, then filter medium, then frame, and then filter medium, then plate. There is an arrangement, and the sequence of the plate and the frame in the filter press is normally described as a dot as a. So sequences or arrangement of this type of filter assembly of this plate and frame filter press, that is one dot to one dot two dot that is 1:2 1:2, that is one means plate, two means frame, one means plate, two means frame, and one means plate. So this is the arrangement of this plate and frame, and of this in this plate and frame filter press. Many plates and frame are used to filter press so as that filtration area is large as a required. So जेवढे जास्त आपण प्लेट अँड फ्रेम जेवढी यूज करू त्या फिल्टर प्रेस मध्ये तेवढंच काय तेवढा फिल्ट्रेशन किंवा फिल्ट्रेशन सर्फेस एरिया काय होणार आहे, फिल्ट्रेशन एरिया इन्क्रीज होईल. मेनी फिल्ट्रेशन युनिट विच आर ऑपरेटेड इन पॅरलल, जे आपण जे नंबर ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन युनिट समजा एक सिंगल आहे फिल्टर फ्रेम, असे नंबर ऑफ युनिट आपण पॅरलल पोझिशन मध्ये काय करू शकतो अरेंज करून त्याने ऑपरेट करू शकतो. Channel for slurry inlet and the filtrate outlet are arranged by fitting of the eye of the two plates and the frame. These are joining to form a channel. So this arrangement, that is, so this is the arrangement of this. This is the holes are provided, that is inlet for the slurry in this plate and or filter press, and this type of holes or these holes are joined to produce a channel. This produce channel for slurry inlet, and this there is a filtrate outlet by joining this fitting eyes, that is which is called as these fitting eyes, which are joined to form a channel for slurry inlet and the filtrate outlet. In sometimes it only the inlet channel is formed. In sometimes there is only inlet channel is formed, and the plates have individual outlets which controlled by the wall. So काय वेळा काय असेल, फक्त एक सिंगलच इनलेट चॅनल फॉर्म होतो आणि प्रत्येक जी प्लेट आहे त्याला प्रत्येक सेपरेट काय असतो, एक इंडिव्हिज्युअल आउटलेट असतो, फिल्ट्रेट आउटलेट असतो, अँड विच इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय वॉल्स. Walls are provided for maintaining this outlet of this filtrate. This plate may be incorporate heating or cooling coil. So sometimes this plate have incorporate with heating and cooling coils to handle the viscous. समजा जर viscous liquid असेल तर काय होणार आहे, इझिली पास होत नाही. सो ते लिक्विडचं फिल्ट्रेशन, विस्कस लिक्विडचं जर आपल्याला फिल्ट्रेशन इन्क्रीज करायचं असेल तर त्याला हिटिंग किंवा कूलिंग हिटिंग और कूलिंग प्रोव्हाइड करून किंवा टेम्परेचर प्रोव्हाइड करण्यासाठी काय करायला, हिटिंग और कूलिंग आपण त्याच्यासाठी त्या प्लेट्स मध्ये इनकॉर्पोरेट करतो. These plates and the frames are compressed by hydraulic device. So this plate and frames which are compressed by these hydraulic devices. So this is a filter medium which is used for the, or this is the arrangement of the assembly of this plate and frame filter press. Next point, working of this plate and frame filter press. So working of the plate and frame filter press can be divided into the two steps. म्हणजे ती प्रोसेस होते एखाद्या प्लेट अँड फ्रेम मध्ये, त्याच्यामध्ये दोन स्टेप असतात. फर्स्ट स्टेप दॅट इज फिल्ट्रेशन ऑपरेशन, and second will be the washing of the cake if it is required. जर आपल्याला गरज असेल तर सेकंड स्टेप आपण फॉलो करतो. That is the first step is very important, that is filtration operation. So in the first step, filtration operation, the slurry which enter the frame, the slurry which is enter into the frame under the pressure from the feed channel. So this slurry which is entered from the feed channel into this frame, it passes to the filter medium on the surface of the plate. So then this slurry which will be passes through this filter medium which are placed on this surface of the plate, the solid which form filter cake. So after passing this liquid or this slurry through this filter medium, the solid which form filter cake and which will be remain, and the form झालेला cake आहे filter cake, which will be remain on this frame. The filtration occur on each side of the frame. So the filtration will be occur on the each side. दोन्ही साइडला काय होतं, फिल्ट्रेशन त्या फ्रेमच्या कुठल्याही साइडला फॉर्म होतं, which is the filtration occur on each side of the frame, so that thickness of the cake is half of the frame thickness. So जी thickness असते केकची, it is half of the frame thickness. दोन्ही साइडला फिल्ट्रेशन झाल्यामुळे काय होतं, हाफ पर दोन्ही जी फॉर्म झालेली केकची थिकनेस आहे, इट विल बी half of this frame thickness. Thus two filter cakes are formed and which are made eventually in the center of the frame. So तिथे दोन filter cakes there is two filter cakes are formed and which are made or they are collected on the center of the frame. As the filtration process, the resistance of the cake will be increased. समजा जेवढं फिल्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू होते तोपर्यंत काय होणार आहे, केकची साईज किंवा केक फॉर्मेशन विल बी increases, so rate of filtration will be decreases. The cake formation जेवढे जास्त होईल तेवढे काय होणार आहे, rate of filtration will be decreases. The filtrate drain between the projection of the surface of the plate. So the filtrate, it will be removed, or the filtration will be collected from the projection to the surface. म्हणजे जे आपण फीड आउटलेट प्रोव्हाइड केले प्रत्येक फीडला, त्या थ्रू काय होतं, ते फिल्ट्रेट काय ड्रेन आउट होतं, and which is escape from this filtrate outlet, and this filtrate which is escape from this filtrate outlet. As the plate and frame is a batch filter, as a plate and frame filter is a batch filter, at a certain point its process is stopped. So प्लेट एंड फ्रेम काय बॅच फिल्टर. सो जेवढं कम्प्लीट केक फॉर्मेशन किंवा केक फॉर्मेशन त्यावेळी एका पॉइंटला काय होणार, इट विल बी कम्प्लिटली स्टॉप अँड प्रेस इज एम्प्टी, देन इज दिस सायकल इज रिस्टार्टेड. सो आफ्टर कम्प्लिशन, जेव्हा केक कम्प्लिटली प्रत्येक प्लेटवर काय होणार, केक फॉर्मेशन आणि काय होणार, फिल्ट्रेशन रेट कमी होईल आणि ते कम्प्लिटली स्टॉप होईल, त्यावेळी काय करायचं, press will be empty. त्याच्यानंतर काय होईल, the cake will be removed and press will be empty, and then this plate and frame filter will be cycle will be then restarted. So this is a filtration operation. So first slurry which enter into the frame under the pressure through this feed channel or feed inlet, then this slurry which is passes through this filter medium on this surface of the plate, then solid cake is formed, and which is remains on this filter frame. The filtration occurs, the thickness, the filtration cake will be formed on the both side, and the thickness of the cake will be half of this frame thickness. So after continuous the process, there will be the there is a formation of the cake due to increase in formation of cake. There is the residual flow of the liquid, and therefore will be decrease in the rate of the filtration, and the filtrate will be drained from this projection which are provided to the plate, and which is escaped from this filtration outlet. After complete stop of this process, the press will be empty and the cycle will be restarted. So this is the filtration operation. Next will be the washing operation. So in this, when washing of the cake will be required, सो जर आपल्याला गरजच असेल केक वॉशिंग करायची, तर आपण काय त्याच्यामध्ये, when the washing of the cake will be required, a little modification is done into the plate and frame filter plate. त्याच्यामध्ये फक्त काय लिटल मॉडिफिकेशन करायला लागते आपल्याला प्लेट अँड फ्रेम मध्ये. फॉर वॉशिंग द केक अँड ऍडिशनल चॅनल इज इन्क्लुडेड. सो जर आपल्याला केक वॉशिंग करायचं त्याच्यासाठी आपण एक ऍडिशनल आपण चॅनल इन्क्लूड करतो, which is called as a washing plate. This channel which is called as a washing plate, and in the hub of washing plate there is a connection from the wash water to the channel, channel to the surface of the plate. So in the hub of the washing plate there is a connection from wash water channel to the surface plate, and when the frames are filled with the cake completely, then cake will be washed. जेव्हा एक प्रत्येक जी फ्रेम असेल ती कम्प्लिटली केक त्याच्यामध्ये फिल होतं, कम्प्लिटली फिल झाला असेल, तेव्हा आपण काय करतो, केक विल बी वॉश. टू वॉश द फिल्टर केक, द आउटलेट ऑफ द वॉशिंग प्लेट आर क्लोज. जेव्हा आपण वॉशिंग करत असतो फिल्टर केक, त्यावेळी काय करतं, जी वॉशिंग प्लेटची आउटलेट आहे इट विल बी क्लोज करायचे. वॉश वॉटर विच इज पंप इनटू दी वॉशिंग चॅनल. जे आपल्या जे वॉशिंग साठी आपण वॉटर वापरणार आहे, इट विल बी पंप इनटू दिस वॉशिंग चॅनल. देन द वॉटर विल बी एंटर थ्रू दिस इनलेट ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ दी वॉशिंग प्लेट. त्याच्यानंतर काय होणार आहे, जे वॉटर असेल विच विल बी एंटर into on the surface of this washing plate. Then this water will be washes through this filter cloth, and which enter into the frame containing cake. त्याच्यानंतर काय, जे water आहे काय, it will be passes through this filter cloth, then it will be enter into the frame. जी नंतर हे काय करेल, ते water असेल which will be enter into the frame containing cake, and then it will be washes the cake. सो फर्स्ट सिंपल प्रोसेस, जर गरज असेल तर आपण काय करतो, केक वॉश करतो. सो त्याच्यासाठी आपण एक ऍडिशनल आपण प्लेट चॅनल ऍड करतो वॉशिंग साठी. त्याच्यामध्ये त्याला काय म्हणतात, वॉशिंग प्लेट. सो अर्ध्या हाफ ऑफ दिस वॉशिंग प्लेट देर इज कनेक्शन, जी हाफ पोर्शन असतो वॉशिंग प्लेट, त्याच्याचे कनेक्शन, तिथे एक कनेक्शन प्रोव्हाइड केलं आहे वॉश वॉटर चॅनल टू द सरफेस प्लेटला. आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये काय सिम्पली त्याच्यामध्ये थ्रू द पंप वॉश वॉटर जे असेल त्याच्या थ्रू काय होतं, वॉटर वॉश किंवा वॉटर असेल आपण काय होतं एंटर करतो त्या वॉशिंग चॅनल मध्ये. त्यानंतर जे वॉटर आहे विच विल पास टू दिस surface of the washing plate, then this water will be passes through this filter cloth, then enter into the frame containing cake and the wash of this cake. The water after washing the cake passes through the filter cloth, then water will be after washing the cake passes through this filter cloth and enter the plate down on the surface. त्याच्यानंतर काय होणार आहे, जे वॉटर असेल जेव्हा वॉशिंग होतं केक त्याच्यानंतर इट विल बी पासेस थ्रू दिस filter cloth and then enter into the plate which is down on the surface, and finally washed water which escape through, and नंतर जे वॉश केलेलं वॉटर इट विल बी एस्केप थ्रू दिस आउटलेट ऑफ द प्लेट. जे आउटलेट आहे, जे आउटलेट त्या प्लेटला प्रोव्हाइड केले त्या थ्रू काय जे वॉश वॉटर असेल इट विल बी रिमूव्ह. सो दिस इज अ सिंपल वॉशिंग ऑपरेशन. सो फर्स्ट सिंपल काय, जर आपल्याला वॉशिंग रिक्वायरमेंट असेल तरच आपल्याला काय केकचे तरच आपण काय केकला वॉशिंग करतो. सो त्याच्यासाठी एक स्लाइट लिटल मॉडिफिकेशन करतो. त्याच्यामध्ये साठी आपण एक ऍडिशनल चॅनल ऍड करतो, त्याला काय म्हणतात वॉशिंग प्लेट. आणि त्या वॉशिंग प्लेट मध्ये ते हाफ पोर्शन असेल त्या वॉशिंग प्लेट त्याच्याशी काय करतो आपण एक कनेक्शन प्रोव्हाइड केलंय फ्रॉम द वॉश वॉटर चॅनल टू द सरफेस ऑफ द प्लेट. अँड आपण कधी हे वॉशिंग करतो जेव्हा एखादी फ्रेम कम्प्लिटली केक त्याच्या फ्रेम मध्ये कम्प्लिटली केक फिल झाला असेल तेव्हा आपण काय करतो, तो केक वॉश करतो. टू वॉश द फिल्टर केक देर इज आउटलेट. सो प्रत्येकाला एक आउटलेट त्या वॉशिंग प्लेटला एक आउटलेट. सो जेव्हा आपण वॉशिंग करतो ते केकला फिल्टर केकला त्यावेळी काय करतोय, जे वॉशिंग प्लेटचं आउटलेट आहे ते आपण क्लोज करतो. त्याच्यानंतर वॉश वॉटर असेल ते फीड चॅनल मध्ये एंटर करतो. त्याच्यानंतर जे वॉश वॉटर असेल विच विल बी एंटर इन टू द सरफेस ऑफ दिस, त्याच्यानंतर ते वॉशिंग प्लेटच्या सरफेसला येतं. त्याच्यानंतर इट विल बी पासेस दिस वॉश वॉटर विल बी पासेस टू द फिल्टर क्लॉथ, देन इट विल बी एंटर इन टू द फ्रेम कंटेनिंग cake and which will be washed in the cake. So this is a simple washing operation. Then uses of this filter press. The sterile filtrate can be obtained by using asbestos and the cellulose filter sheet. So sterile filter, this type of the sterile filtrate can be used by asbestos or cellulose filter sheet. जे आपण filter cloth आपण use करतो in the filter frame, which is made of asbestos or cellulose filter sheet. The filtration of viscous liquid can be also done by incorporating heating or cooling coils in the press. So जे विस्कस लिक्विड असेल त्याचं आपण काय करतो, आपण इझिली काय करू शकतो, आपण त्याचं फिल्ट्रेशन करू शकतो बाय प्रोव्हाइडिंग हिटिंग और कूलिंग कॉइल. इट इज यूज्ड टू कलेक्ट bismuth salt, precipitate antioxidant and removal of precipitated protein from insulin liquid. So this plate and frame filter which is used for collection of bismuth salt, precipitate antitoxins and the removal of precipitate proteins from insulin liquors. Next advantage of this filter press or plate and frame filter. The construction of filter press is very simple. Tell us काय म्हणतात, this construction of the filter press or plate and frame filter which is very simple. It provides large area for filtration which is relatively at a smaller floor space. So the filter press है किंवा plate and frame filter है which provide large surface area for filtration at a small floor space. It operates under the high pressure, so rate of filtration is high. The plate and frame filter काय or filter base काय which will be operate under high pressure, so त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं rate of filtration will be high. Efficient washing of the cake which is possible into this filter is by using this, by providing little modification as a washing plate in this filter press. It is easy to operate and maintain. These filter press are easy to operate and maintenance is easy. Last advantage, it produces dark dry cake in the form of slab. Last advantage, it produce dry cake. The filter press it will be produce dry cake in the form of slab. So this is the advantage of this filter press. Next will be the disadvantage of the filter press or plate and frame filter. It is a batch filter. This filter press is a batch filter, so it takes more time. Second disadvantage, the filter press is expensive filter. The filter press it is an expensive filter and due to high cost which involves non-productive time. The high cost which involves high non-productive time, labor use, wear and the tear of the clothes. So this is a due to this the filter press is expensive filter. The filter next disadvantage, the filter press is used for slurry containing less than about 5% solid. ह्या प्रेस मध्ये आपण कुठल्या टाईपची स्लरी फक्त ज्याच्यामध्ये 5% पेक्षा लेस क्वांटिटी मध्ये सॉलिड ज्या स्लरी मध्ये प्रेझेंट असेल ती स्लरी फक्त आपण काय करू शकतो फिल्ट्रेट करू शकतो बाय युजिंग दिस फिल्टर प्रेस और प्लेट एंड फ्रेम फिल्टर. In the view of high labor cost, it is most suitable expensive material only. So due to high labor cost, this type of filter press or plate and frame filter which is only used for the suitable for expensive filtration of only expensive material. So these are the advantage and disadvantage of this plate and frame filter or filter press. Next equipment or filter which is called as a filter leaf. So principle of this filter leaf, the mechanism of the filtration of the filter leaf is a surface filtration. So mechanism which is involved in the filtration process in this filter leaf, it is similar to the plate and frame filter, that is surface filtration, and it acts as a sieve or strainer. So this filter leaf which is act as a similar to the sieving of the product or strainer. This filter leaf consists of longitudinal drainage screen. So the filter leaf आहे त्याच्यामध्ये काय longitudinal drainage screen असते which is covered with a filter cloth. त्या स्क्रीनला काय केलं जातं which is covered with a filter cloth. The rate of filtration can be increased by applying positive or negative pressure. Rate of filtration can be increased by, so जे आपले rate of filtration आपण कशाने increase करू शकतो by simply applying positive or negative pressure. So this filter leaf which is based upon the principle of filtration filter leaf which is based upon the surface filtration mechanism. Next point, construction of this filter leaf. So see the diagram. This is a metal. This is a metal framework or which consists of, or this is a this consists of metal framework or which is a groove plate over which filter cloth. This is a filter cloth which covered on this frame, or which is called as this is a longitudinal drainage screen. So याच्यामध्ये काय असे एक मेटल फ्रेमवर्क आहे which consists of or which is groove plate. त्याच्यावर काय this is the covering of this filter cloth. This metal frame of any shape, circular, square and longitudinous. जी ही फ्रेम असेल this is either a circular shape, square shape, or the rectangular shape, and there is an outlet for the outlet for the filtrate connects to the inside of the frame through the suction. So through this there is the outlet. This is a filtrate outlet which are connect to the inside of the frame, through the suction provided through the suction. So ह्यालाच काय केले, this is a metal framework or groove plate, त्याला काय केले कवरिंग फिल्टर क्लॉथ आहे, आणि त्या फिल्टर जे मेटल फ्रेम आहे विच इज आयदर सर्क्युलर और रेक्टेंग्युलर और स्क्वेअर शेप, and this is a filtrate outlet which is connected to this vacuum pump. That is, there is a vacuum pump which provides suction through the frame, and this is a drainage. This is the drainage outlet, longitudinal drainage which are connected to this filtrate outlet. किंवा ही ड्रेनेज स्क्रीन आहे त्याला काय केले कनेक्टिव्ह, which are connected to this filtrate outlet. So this is a frame. This is a metal frame which are this is covered with filter cloth, and this drainage screen which are connected to this filtrate with this filtrate outlet. So this filter lip which are placed into this vessel which are containing slurry, आणि जे असेल हे फिल्टर लिप आहे ते काय which are deep into this vessel containing slurry. Next point, working of this filter lip. So this filter lip which immersed into the slurry to filter. जे फिल्टर लिप आहे ते काय करायचं, इमर्स करायचं. जे वेसल किंवा पॉट कंटेनिंग किंवा कंटेनर मध्ये जी स्लरी आपल्याला फिल्टरेट करायचे त्याच्यामध्ये काय करायचे, ते फिल्टर लिप इन्सर्ट करायचे. Then by using vacuum pump or suction pump is connected, suction pump or which is called as a vacuum pump which is connected to the outlet, जे outlet है filtrate outlet. At this point there is a suction pump or vacuum pump which is connected to this outlet, and then this pump will be started. So this slurry which is due to provide suction, this slurry which is passes through the filter cloth. So त्याच्यामुळे काय होणार आहे, suction provide केल्यामुळे जी slurry असते it will be passes through this drainage screen or this through this first it will be passes through this filter cloth. Then it will be processed through the filter cloth. The insoluble matter in the slurry which form cake on the outside of the cloth and which clears the filtrate, get collected into the receiver. At the end of the operation, the air will be passed to the flow which reverse direction, which helps to remove the cake. So simple. First, this filter lip which is immersed into this slurry. Then by using this suction pump or vacuum pump, the suction is provided. Due to suction, the slurry which is passes through this filter cloth, and this filtrate or this filter which is collected, this filter which is collected into this filtrate outlet, and this insoluble matter or insoluble material into this slurry which is deposited this is deposited on this deposit on the frame. After complete operation, जेव्हा आपली प्रोसेस होईल त्याच्यानंतर रिव्हर्स साइडने आपण काय करायचं, अपोजिट साइडने आपण काय करायचं, थ्रू दिस आउटलेट आपण काय करायचं, एअर प्रोव्हाइड करायचे. त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं, जे डिपॉझिट झालेलं असेल डिपॉझिट झालेला केक असेल, इट विल बी रिमूव्ह फ्रॉम दिस फिल्टर क्लॉथ. सो दिस इज अ सिंपल वर्किंग ऑफ दिस फिल्टर लिप. सो फर्स्ट ते फिल्टर लिप इमर्स करायचंय, त्याच्यानंतर सक्शन प्रोव्हाइड केल्यामुळे काय होतं, जी स्लरी आहे इट विल बी पासेस थ्रू दिस filter cloth and the filtrate will through the drainage screen, it will be collected into the filtrate outlet. The insoluble matter जे असेल, it will be deposit on this filter cloth, deposit on the filter cloth, and complete आपली process झाल्यानंतर काय, it will be provides फ्लो रिव्हर्स डायरेक्शन आपण एअर प्रोव्हाइड करतो, त्याच्यामुळे काय ते डिपॉझिट आहे, इट विल बी रिमूव्ह फ्रॉम दिस फिल्टर क्लॉथ. सो दिस इज अ सिंपल वर्किंग ऑफ द फिल्टर lip. Next point, uses of this filter lip. It is used to filter slurry which do not contain high solid. About this filter lip, it is mainly used to filter slurry which do not contain high solid content about 5%, that is dilute suspension. So ज्या फिल्टर लिप मध्ये काय आपण फक्त जे 5 लेस दॅन 5% असणार सॉलिड कंटेनिंग स्लरी असेल त्यातच काय करू शकतो आपण फिल्ट्रेशन करू शकतो. सो दिस इज मेनली यूज फॉर द solid content that is less than 5%, or this is dilute suspension किंवा dilute suspension, त्याचा आपण फिल्ट्रेशन आपण बाय युजिंग दिस फिल्टर लिप ने करू शकतो. नेक्स्ट विल बी द ऍडव्हान्टेज ऑफ द फिल्टर लिप. The first advantage of the filter lip, it is the simplest form of filter used for the batch process. This is a filter which is used for the batch processes. Many units are connected in parallel to increase the surface area of the filtration. जे filter lip आहे आपण parallel arrangement एक कनेक्ट करून काय parallel arrangement करून आपण काय करू surface area increase करू शकतो, त्यामुळे काय filtration increase होईल. Pressure differences can be either with a vacuum or by using pressure up to the order of 8 bar. So the pressure differences change करून आपण काय pressure differences आपण can be achieved किंवा pressure मधले change किंवा pressure drop आपण कशाने either vacuum or it will be lower down to the pressure up to the 8 bar पर्यंत आपण complete करून आपण pressure difference achieve करू शकतो. Fairly moderate labor cost to be operate to the filter lip. So cost of this operation will be fair for this filtration process in the by using the filter lip. Last point, disadvantage of the filter lip, it is not suitable for concentrated slurry. So this filter lip is not suitable filtration of concentrated slurry. The solid concentrated slurry means solid content in this slurry which is higher or which is higher than 5%. So this is the uses, advantages and disadvantage of this filter lip. Next point on next filter, which is Cartridge filter. The principle of this Cartridge filter, the Cartridge filter consists of pre-filter. Cartridge filter which is consists of pre-filter and the membrane filter which is combined in the single unit. जे Cartridge filter असतात त्याच्यामध्ये काय एक pre-filter असतो आणि एक membrane filter असतात. There is a combination in the single unit and it is a thin porous membrane with a sieve like filtration. या Cartridge filter मध्ये एक porous membrane असतो with a sieve like filtration action where solid particles are retained on the surface. जे Cartridge filter this is a thin porous membrane with a sieve like filtration action. On this porous membrane, the solid will be retained on this surface of this porous thin porous membrane. So this is the simple principle of the Cartridge filter. Cartridge filter मध्ये लक्षात ठेवायचे, Cartridge filter consists of pre-filter and the membrane filter. It is a combination of pre-filter and the membrane filter, and the thin which provide the Cartridge filter will provide thin porous membrane which is seals like filtration action, त्याच्यामध्ये filtration action provide करतं, त्याच्यावर काय त्या surface वर काय होतं solid retain होतं. Next point, construction of this Cartridge filter. So Cartridge filter which has 2 units. The Cartridge filter असेल which has, this is the Cartridge filter, this is the Cartridge filter which has 2 units. First will be the Cartridge filters and second will be the housing. So this is the Cartridge filter and this is the housing. the cartridge filter, which is a cylindrical configuration. So this is a cartridge filter which has cylindrical configuration. This filter, which is either made of plastic or metal like stainless steel. हे जे cartridge filter असेल, which is made of either plastic or by metals like stainless steel. So this cartridge filter have two membranes. This cartridge filter have two membrane like so one which is a this is a pre-filter or pre-filter medium. हे पहिलं असेल ते काय असेल pre-filter medium and second जे असेल ते actual filter medium for filtration. So this is a in this is a cartridge filter. This is the first pre-filter and this is the actual filter medium for the filtration. There is a protective layer which is surrounded on the filter media. So on this cartridge filter there is a protective layer which is provided. This cartridge filter which is housed into the holders. This cartridge filter which are housed into the holder and number of cartridge filter can be placed into the housing. So this is the housing. So this type of cartridge filter which is provided into the inside of this housing. So समजा जर असे एका हाऊसिंग मध्ये किंवा कार्टेज फिल्टर मध्ये हा कार्टेज फिल्टर एक नंबर ऑफ कार्टेज फिल्टर एका हाऊसिंग मध्ये काय केलं फिल्ट्रेशन साठी प्लेस केले जातात. The housing has provision for slurry inlet. So see the diagram, there is an inlet for the slurry and there is an outlet for the filtrate. It is closed with the lid. This housing which is closed with this is lid, and at the bottom of this housing there is a outlet for the discharge cake. At the bottom of this housing there is a discharge of the cake. So first construction मध्ये काय 2 युनिट्स असतात कार्टेज फिल्ट्रेशन मध्ये. फर्स्ट कार्टेज फिल्टर असतात आणि एक हाऊसिंग असतं. जे कार्टेज फिल्टर आहे विच इज मेड ऑफ आयदर प्लास्टिक और स्टेनलेस स्टील. त्याच्यामध्ये दोन मेम्ब्रेन्स असतात. फर्स्ट प्री फिल्टर मीडियम किंवा मेम्ब्रेन असेल आणि सेकंड ऍक्च्युअल मेम्ब्रेन असतं. द मेम्ब्रेन साइज, द मेम्ब्रेन फिल्टर जी सेकंड ऍक्च्युअल त्याची साइज किती असते 0.2 मायक्रोमीटर. This 0.2 micrometer, and this cartridge filter which is protected with this cartridge filter which is or this filter media which is surrounded by the protective layer, and these cartridge filters are housed or which are housed into the holders. This cartridge filter which is housed into this type of housing to the holders, and number of cartridge filter which are placed into this housing or cartridge holders. हे जे असेल त्याच्यामध्ये जे कार्टेज होल्डर किंवा हाऊसिंग मध्ये काय नंबर ऑफ कार्टेज फिल्टर प्लेस केले तर जेवढे जास्त असतील कार्टेज फिल्टर तेवढं काय फिल्टरेशन रेट इनक्रीज होईल. सो इन द हाऊसिंग देयर इज अ provision for slurry inlet and the filtrate outlet and the discharge of the cake, and this housing which is closed by the lid. Next, working of this cartridge filtration. So slurry to be filtered which is pumped into the cartridge holder. So जी slurry आपल्याला काय करायची असेल filter करायची असेल, it will be pumped into this cartridge holder. It will be passes through the filter unit by the straining mechanism or surface or like sieving type of mechanism. So this slurry acids, it will be passes through this cartridge filter unit by the straining, and the filtrate will be passes through the center. This filtrate will be passes through the center and it moves and collected through filtrate outlets. So first through this slurry inlet, the slurry will be pumped into this housing. Then this slurry, which will be passes through this cartridge filter, this slurry which passes through the first, it will be passes through this pre-filter, then it will be passes through the membrane filter, and this filtrate which is collected, into the center of this center of this cartridge filter, and it will be removed through this filtrate outlet. It will be removed from this filtrate outlet, and cake will be deposited, or solid will be deposited on this surface of this filter cake, which is discharged from this discharge outlet. So this is a simple. So लक्षात ठेवायचे, first this slurry आहे ते which is pumped through this slurry inlet into this housing or cartridge holder. Then this slurry which is passes from this cartridge filter. So first this slurry which entered into the through this pre-filter, passes through the pre-filter, then passes through the membrane filter. Then this filtrate which entered into this center position, and the filtrate which is collected through this filtrate outlet, and deposition of the solid, and deposition of this solid, this cake which is collected from this discharge cake outlet. So this is a simple working of this cartridge filter. Next point, uses of this cartridge filter. So it is particularly used for the preparation of the particulate free solution for parenterals and the ophthalmic uses. So this cartridge filtration, it is mainly used for the preparation which is free from particulate matter. Is mainly used for the preparation which is free from particulated matter for solution for parenterals and the ophthalmic uses. जे आपण parental preparation किंवा ophthalmic uses साठी जे preparation यूज करतो, ते त्याच्यामधले complete particle remove करण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करतो, this cartridge filter आपण यूज करतो. The filter holds process 1000 to 15,000 liter of the sterile solution per hour. So जे filter असेल, जे cartridge filter आहे, it will be जो filter holder असेल, the cartridge filter चं filter holder, it will be process 1000 to the 15,000 liter आपण काय करू शकतो, होल्ड करू शकतो. स्टराईल सोल्युशन आपण पर आवर होल्ड करू शकतो त्याच्यामध्ये. इट कॅन बी ऑल्सो यूज एज अ प्री फिल्टर प्रायर टू द अदर ट्रीटमेंट प्रोसेस. जो कार्टेज फिल्टर आपण प्री फिल्टर म्हणून आपण काही अदर प्रोसेस साठी आपण काही यूज करू शकतो. सो दीज आर द युजेस ऑफ दिस cartridge filter. Next point, advantage of the cartridge filter. Autoclaving is possible due to the stainless steel construction with alloy. So जर समजा जर जो मटेरियल, जे कार्टेज फिल्टर जर स्टेनलेस स्टील ने जर प्रिपेअर किंवा मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग असेल, तो आपण त्याला आपण काय करू शकतो, ऑटोक्लेविंग प्रोव्हाइड करू शकतो. There is a less chance of the contamination. So second advantage, there is a less chances of the contamination. So by using this cartridge filter, so there is a less chances of contamination. Deassembling as well as reuse of the filter media is rapid. So by आपण कार्टेज फिल्टर डिसअसेंबल करू शकतो किंवा आपण त्याचा रियूज करू शकतो, which is reuse of the filter media will be rapidly. It is possible to use them in a line continuous operation. So continuous process, this type of cartridge filtration आपण continuous operation म्हणून यूज करू शकतो, filtration operation म्हणून यूज करू शकतो. When the dry cartridges are not brittle, समजा जर प्रोसेस फिल्टरेशन प्रोसेस समजा जर ते जर ड्राय झालं, सर इट विल बी नॉट ब्रिटल. समजा जर प्रोसेस ड्राय झालं, कम्प्लिटली ड्राय कार्टेज कम्प्लिटली ड्राय झालं, सो इट विल बी नॉट ब्रिटल. ते काय होऊ शकतं, इझी ब्रेक होऊ शकत नाही. सो दीज आर द ऍडव्हान्टेज ऑफ दिस कार्टेज फिल्टर. सो फर्स्ट, ड्यू टू स्टेनलेस स्टील समजा इट इज मेड फ्रॉम और मॅन्युफॅक्चर फ्रॉम स्टेनलेस स्टील, सो आपण त्याला ऑटोक्लेविंग प्रोव्हाइड करतो. सेकंड, लेस चान्सेस ऑफ कॉन्टॅमिनेशन होतो, इझिली डिसअसेंबल करू शकतो आणि रियूज करू शकतो. रॅपिडली आपण डिअसेंबल करू शकतो आणि रियूज करू शकतो. देन सेकंड, आपण कंटिन्युअस ऑपरेशन म्हणून आपण यूज करू शकतो. आणि लास्ट विल समजा प्रोसेस वेळी समजा फिल्टरशिंग आपल्या ड्राय झालं तर कार्टेज आपण इझिली ब्रिटल होऊ शकतो किंवा ब्रेक होऊ शकत नाही. सो दीज आर द ऍडव्हान्टेज ऑफ दिस कार्टेज फिल्टर. नेक्स्ट विल बी द disadvantage of this cartridge filter. The component from the different manufacturer are not interchangeable. So समजा जर आपण वेगवेगळ्या कंपनीचे वेगवेगळे कॉम्पोनंट्स आपण काय इंटरचेंजेबल करू शकत नाही समजा ह्या फिल्टर कार्टेज फिल्टर मध्ये. सेकंड, डिस्पोजल एलिमेंट्स आर कॉस्टली. जे आपण डिस्पोजल एलिमेंट्स असतात त्या कार्टेज विचार हायली किंवा हाय कॉस्ट, त्याची कॉस्ट सर्वात जास्त असते. सो दीज आर द ऍड. फर्स्ट, समजा वेगवेगळे कंपाऊंड्स आपण जर यूज करू, आपण ते फिल्टर कार्टेज फिल्टर आपण तयार करणार किंवा मॅन्युफॅक्चर करत, तसं काय आपण इंटरचेंज ते कंपोनंट आपण इंटरचेंज करू शकत नाही. समजा फर्स्ट जे कार्ड, समजा जर आपण एक कंपनीचं समजा एक फिल्टर कार्टेज फिल्टर घेतलाय आणि समजा आपण तो रिप्लेस करण्यासाठी दुसऱ्या कंपनीचा आपण यूज केला त्या हाऊसिंग मध्ये, तर आपण काय इंटरचेंज करू शकत नाही. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट डिसएडव्हान्टेज. अँड सेकंड, जे डिस्पोजेबल एलिमेंट्स असतात विचार, समजा जर आमचा फिल्टर प्रेस समजा जर खराब झाला, विचार हायली और विचार कॉस्ट विल बी व्हेरी हाय. सो दिस आर द disadvantage of this cartridge filter. So this is a cartridge filter which consists of pre-filter and this is the main method. याच्यामध्ये मेन प्रिन्सिपल काय, ते कार्टेज युनिट, दिस कार्टेज फिल्टरचे युनिट कंसिस्ट ऑफ pre-filter and the membrane filter. So next, in this through this pre-filter, the first slurry will be enter into this filter. Then it will be passes through the actual filter, that is size will be the 0.2 micrometer, and the slurry which is enter at the center position through which it will be collected through the filtrate outlet. So this is the working, and next will be the uses and the advantage and disadvantage of this cartridge filter. So in this lecture we study the three equipments or filter, that is first plate and frame filter, which is called as a filter press. Second, a filter lip, and third will be this cartridge filter. So we stop here. Next point will be studied into the next lecture.